turbocharger is a rotational machine consisting of a turbine and a compressor mounted on a common shaft. The turbine rotor, driven by the exhaust gases, forces air into the engine, which enables it to be fed with a larger dose of fuel. Then the greater amount of the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chambers of the engine translates into increase in power and torque, lower fuel consumption, and improved exhaust gas purity. It is why the turbochargers are used in most of the currently manufactured internal combustion engines. Like all mechanical components, turbines wear out and fail in various ways. A new original turbocharger can cost thousands. Replacements are available only for some cars and are usually of very low quality. So in the event of a turbocharger failure, the optimal solution is to regenerate it. By deciding to regenerate, you will save a lot of cash, and you can count on a long and stable operation of the turbine. Regeneration consists in replacing all wearing parts and leaving those that do not wear during normal operation, such as the body, housing and collectors. First, we take the turbocharger apart. We verify the damage in order to determine and provide the customer with the causes of turbine failure. By the nature of the damage to the compressor components, we can recognize whether the cause of their occurrence was natural wear or failure of the engine or other components. We thoroughly clean the body and casings in a chamber washer. Then we check for cracks or distortions. In the subsequent stage, we blast 3 elements with glass beads, which allows for complete removal of corrosion. Then we clean them again, this time in an ultrasonic cleaner, where, thanks to the wave cavitation technology, we can remove contamination from even the most inaccessible places. Then it is time to assemble the body core with the shaft. Each time we replace the rotor, compression wheel, rotor bearings and all elements required for sealing. We also replace thrust rings and oil flingers. We only use parts from the best manufacturers, because the service life of the repaired turbine will largely depend on their quality. After assembly, the entire core assembly must be dynamically balanced to eliminate all vibrations and drag. During the tests, the rotating assembly is accelerated first to 40,000 revolutions per minute, and then to 250,000, which mimics the actual operating conditions of the device. Because a turbine is lubricated with oil during operation, the tightness of the entire system and new seals are also checked at the same time. Next, casings and collectors are installed to the finished core. Now we can start testing and adjustments. For this purpose, the turbocharger goes to a special turbo test device, which is used to regulate the variable geometry mechanism according to the value of the airflow through the control blades, as well as the value of the boost pressure coefficient. When setting up and testing in this machine, the turbocharger operates at high revs and under load, as it does in a car, and the device measures and records its RPM, boost pressure and performance. After passing all tests and adjustments, the turbine is sealed, marked and packed. Then it will be delivered to the customer or installed in the car in our workshop. For each turbocharger repaired by us, you will receive a test and balancing report, as well as a warranty, and we will inform you about the cause of the earlier failure and what repairs need to be made in the car it comes from before it's reinstalled. You are welcome to enjoy our services. We regenerate turbochargers for passenger cars of all brands, and most trucks, buses and machines. We provide free pickup and delivery of all remanufactured components in Poland, the Czech Republic and Slovakia. As for customers from other countries, we agree on cost of shipment individually. All you need is to carefully package the part for shipping.